In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a contact over text message on your iPhone, whether it's through iMessage or standard SMS. It's a helpful, quick, and straightforward process that ensures you can share important contact information easily with anyone at any time. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, it's important to know that this method works seamlessly whether your recipient is using iMessage, which appears in blue bubbles, or regular SMS, which appears in green. So, no worries about compatibility issues. Simply grab your iPhone and let's get started. Begin by opening the Contacts or Phone app on your device. These apps are typically found right on your home screen, and they're your gateway to all the contact information stored on your phone. Once you've opened one of these apps, scroll through your contacts to find the specific contact you want to share. Whether it's a friend, a colleague, or a business that you think might be beneficial for someone else, you have all the freedom to choose. When you've found the contact, tap on their name to open their contact card. Here you'll see all their details, including their phone number, email, and more. What you're looking for is a button labeled Share Contact. This is usually found towards the bottom of the contact card. Give it a tap to proceed. Now, you might need to scroll down slightly if you don't see it immediately. Once you locate the Share Contact option, go ahead and tap on it. This action brings up a share menu that gives you several options on how to share the contact information. What's important here is to choose Messages, which is the app you'll use to send the contact information via text. In the share menu, you'll clearly see an option for Messages. Tap it, and it will take you directly to the Messages app. Here, you will be prompted to select the recipient of this contact information. You can enter their name or phone number in the provided To field. If they're already in your contacts, their name should come up as you start typing. Once you've selected the recipient, you're all set. Review the information in the message one last time to make sure everything looks good. When you're ready, simply tap Send. The contact information will be sent as a V card, which is a virtual contact card that the recipient can easily open and save directly to their contacts list. And there you have it. With just a few taps, you've successfully shared important contact details with someone right from your iPhone. This feature can be a tremendous time saver when networking or keeping in touch with friends and family, helping you keep everyone in the loop effortlessly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more handy iPhone tips and tricks.